Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from there. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about location insertion in responsive search ad. So let's see how we can dynamically input locations in our responsive search ad. Okay. So we are in the official documentation of Google about location insertion for responsive search ad. So let's read what they say about it. Location insertion lets you tailor your responsive search ad to your customer locations, regular locations, or locations of interest. Location insertion for responsive search ad highlights a location in the ad text where your product or service is offered. For example, you can create headlines like Las Vegas hotels, San Francisco hotels, or Palo Alto plumbers on demand. To customize your ads to your user locations, regular locations, or locations of interest. So we can see there are two benefits of using location insertion in our responsive search set. Okay, number one is tailored messaging. Ads are localized based on physical location or area of interest. And the second one is efficiency. Instead of having to upload thousands of rows and manage an ad customizer file, you can customize your ads to the city, state, or country you want to show. So let's see how it works. Let's say you own a delivery service that delivers to all the cities of Bay Area. Instead of writing individual headlines for each city, you could use a location insertion code in your ad headline to target the San Francisco Bay Area. So the headline code is we deliver to location city. So this one would be the user's locations. Okay. So if a user search from San Francisco Bay Area, then he could show the ads as we deliver to San Francisco Bay Area. Okay. So Google Ads will try to replace this code with the location in your ad group. You can select one location for your headline and up to two in your descriptions. You need at least 3 headlines without location insertion, or you can use default text. You can select to set up locations for city, state, and country. So we can see they have given us some instruction or steps to set up location insertions in our responsive search set. So I will share this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about location insertion for responsive search set. Okay, so let's see how we can practically implement location insertion in our Google Ads. Okay, so suppose I am running my services for different cities in the USA, and my service is roofing service. Okay, so I'm serving to Dallas, Texas, Detroit, California, and Washington DC. Okay, so let's see how we can use location insertion in responsive search ad. So I will write number 1 roofing service in, then I will press curly brace. Then I can see the option called location insertion here available. So I will click this option, location insertion. Then I can see we have 3 options like town, city, town or city, state, country, and we can see a default text is also available here. Like if none of them appears, then the default text will appear. So I will write New York as a default city. Okay. So I'll click on apply. So what it will basically do, actually, if a user search from Dallas, then he could show the ads like number 1 roofing service in Dallas. Okay. Similarly, for if a user search from Texas, he will show the ads as number 1 roofing service in Texas. Similarly for Detroit, if a user search from Detroit, then he will show the ad says #1 roofing service in Detroit. And similar for California and Washington DC. So if none of them appears, then the by default text Newark will appear, like this one, #1 roofing service in Newark. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding about location insertion in our responsive search ad. Okay, so you have a good day then. Bye bye.